Hello, everyone, and welcome to Z Interactive. I'm Zishan Shah. Z Interactive, your own training institute. So, guys, now we will start. We'll start with our new lesson, lesson number 9, and we will start by putting up some colors, some albedos to our like substance over here. But first thing first, I don't have the frame over here, and we need to create a frame so that everything is organized. And I will rename this frame to lock support or lock holder and buttons. Okay, because they all are same material, same sort of material. Like there will be like a sort of a, you can say like metal or something like that. Okay, now we are not going to, let me say this. Okay. Now we're not going to work on our height map anymore, maybe later on, but not for now. So we will move to our uniform color basically. So what I need to do, just go to this uniform color option and make sure this is absolute and this is 16 bits. So we will not have any issue. Now I will just move this all the way back here. Okay, I think we have to move it a little bit down. Oops. Because this green mask thing is coming here. Okay, now let's see what we need to color it up right now. So just move this here. First, we are going to color up the door gap. Do we have to color up the door gap? I don't think we have to color up the door gap. Vents, we will not color the vents, and button gaps, everything. Because what we are going to do here is local holder gap. If I double click it here, yeah, this is what I will get. And this is what we will color, and everything will get colored. Okay, because we want a single color for each one of these things. So from this part, from door gap till lock holder, we will create our first material here, like a color. Now that will be, if we see in this image, is this color, this yellow color that we are going to create. Okay, forget about this one because this is behind, so that's why with the shadow it looks like this, but this is actually the same thing. Okay, now you can see that this is not affecting the hinges, this is not affecting these buttons, this is not affecting this lock holder, but it's affecting rest of the other parts. So that's why those parts we have move, like we are creating after that. So we are using this blend mode to create that. Okay, so simple. What I will do here is that I will create my color mode over here. Okay, like blend. Okay, oops. First select blend here and blend, let's blend here, let's here. Okay, and then I will add uniform color to it. So let's, uniform color is already there, so I will move it up here, change it to yellow. Okay, just for now, because we will change it later on. Now one issue you will see here is that it is affecting everything, because in opacity we don't have anything. We have to put a sort of a you can say like a mask. So on that mask, so that mask will be affected only. So we have this. Okay, so you can use this as a mask. So what I can do here is we can use any existing like a mask here. Like, let's see, what do we have here? Yeah, we have this one. Okay, and this here, we can use this one. Let's move it down here and put it inside here. But there will be issue. Okay, issue will be, oops, sorry, I have put the wrong one here. I think this is the one that I have to use. Yeah, but the issue is that everything looks fine here except for these. I don't want the vents to be included because I want the vents to be uh, holding the same color. So I think it will be better for us to create our own uh, like like a mask here. So if I will go here and let's see what do we have here so far. This here. Yeah. And then we have this. So we can take this one. Okay. Mask this mask from here. So instead of putting this here, let me do one thing. Move this out of the way. And then use this and put it here. And then inverse this. Okay, so now I got this. So to better organize it, I will take everything and put them here and put these stuff here. Yeah, now it's fine. So these will be all the height maps and here will be all the colors, and underneath we will have all these other like roughness and the metallic. Now here I will create a frame and make it a little bigger, a little wider. Change the color to red and I will call this locker body. Now temporarily I have just put this color there, this yellow color there. Okay, now one thing is that the hinges, we have to remove the hinges from here as well. So I have to go to this hinges part. Okay, and the hinges here. Okay, and I will take these hinges, use levels, and make sure they all become white. Okay, now as this one is going there, so this have to be mixed up, so I will add a blend node here. Okay, and this one I can put it up and this one I can put it here, and I can add these, so it will be like this. So now if I will go back here, you can see that the hinges are not affected, but there is slight stuff going on, so I have to work on the levels here so that I don't get that part there. Okay, but that's it, we got this. Now this is our base of this color. So what I need to do here is, once I will go back here, instead of uniform color, what we are going to do is that I will press space bar. Okay, gradient map. Okay, and I will use the gradient map here, and this gradient map needs a like an input. Now if you will see any sort of an old locker or metal or anything, the surface is not smooth or flat. So if you will look at this image, for example, so there is like, some like the faded color over here, like some is, it's like like some area is dark, some area is light. So there is a different sort of an like, effect over here, like because it's an old like metal piece. So what we can do here is that I can simply go here and press space bar, and I will take any sort of a noise. So let's take a moisture noise. You can take any other noise. I'm taking moisture noise because it will give me like this sort of a effect, like some old area, new area, and I will connect this one to the gradient input. Now what I can do here is I can bring this image, okay? But before that, let's double click this gradient map here, then gradient editor. I will use it. Before that, let's use this, okay? And pick the gradient here. Oops. Let's close this for now because I need to bring that image here. Okay, I got this, so I will just a little bit zoom it here and go back to gradient map here and gradient editor. I'll take this pick gradient here, and then after picking the gradient, I will choose different sort of a color, like something like this here, and you will note that it will create the same color, like based on from here on this what you call my uh, like the moisture noise. Okay, now I can choose any one of these values here, like linear, flat, tangent, or smooth. So whatever suits best for you, you can use that. Okay. I will choose linear. Linear will be more like straight line sort of things. Tangent will be like curve like this going. Smooth will be smoother like that. So let's take another try, another level. No, just keep on noticing. As like a nicer result you will get, you can take this one. So I usually I will take something like this. No, let's try that. Or let's try from here where there you have more variation. Oh, you have tried different ways. Okay. Let's move them apart and then you will get some nicer result. Yeah, I think this yellow can become a little bit more dark. Okay, now it looks good. More like it is faded or the color is gone. Let's get okay. So here we got our color, and we can apply then later on some other effects and show more of effect here, because right now we don't have any sort of a like metallic look or roughness over here. So that we will do in our next classes, and we will apply some other materials on the hinges also and from also. So I hope you have liked this tutorial and you'll have learned something about how to create a like a gradient map using any sort of a noise connected to it, and give it a realistic like sort of touch. So guys, if you have liked this video, I would like to thank you a lot in advance, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below, and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if any one of you is doing that, and if you find someone doing that, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off, and it will demotivate. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.